Hey there, this is part 2 of my exploration of calls to action. Tad Hargrave from marketingforhippies.com. I just found some notes that I'd made that I also wanted to share on this. One of the reasons I'm not calling people to action in terms of buying from me is I don't know if it's right for them. Yeah, I actually don't know if that's what they need. They're the only one who knows. So why would I call them to do something that I don't know is best for them, or best for them right now? What I am doing is I'm sharing it, but the other piece I want to add, not just sharing it, but trying to make it as safe as possible for them to consider it, to think about it, to check it out from a distance. I'm not trying to create pressure, I'm trying to create safety. And sometimes a call to action can do just the opposite. It reduces the safety and it increases the pressure. And I think when we're sharing our work, we want to do the opposite of that. We want to create a lot of safety. And what I am doing a call to action on and making the case for is a certain point of view, yeah? And there's two things to it. One, I think it's fine, I don't know if it's a call to action exactly, but it could be a call to action to really think about and consider why this is so important to do. You might just say to people, look, people miss this. This is so important. Let me make the case why this is something to handle and to not ignore. You know, we can really call for people's attention. We can call for people's reconsideration, which I suppose you could consider a form of action. But the main thing that I'm using as a call is a call to reconsider, a call to rethink and saying, look, here's an approach. Whether or not you work with me, and again, I would underline those words, whether or not you work with me, here's the approach I'd suggest to this issue that you have. That's a call I feel absolutely in integrity putting out. A call to reconsider, a call to think, a call to wonder about, a call to reimagine. That feels just fine. But when I think about calling them to action to sign up with me, it's very dangerous to me. That's a very tricky moment because if it's not a fit for them, it's probably going to cause harm to them, at least waste their time and their money, and waste my time and money. So I would rather let them decide on the action piece and instead make a call for that will be useful for them whether or not they sign up. Yeah, there you go. That's part 2. Just a small little video today. Hope it was useful. Thanks to everyone who's watching and subscribing and sharing these videos. Very grateful for all your help. Take care.